Over 20,000 people have signed an open letter contesting the award on the South China Sea arbitration case by an ad hoc tribunal here on Tuesday. The 2,500-word letter, drafted by a group of young Chinese scholars who currently study international law in the Netherlands, slams the controversial case unilaterally initiated by the Philippines for its lack of legality, noting that the arbitral decision violated the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS.
We have come to the conclusion that this case is quite bizarre and worth our attention. So that's why we have organized a research group on examining this case, and we want to have the truth heard around the world that there is significant and substantive injustice in this case.
Shortly after the tribunal issued the award, the scholars sent a letter to the Division for Ocean Affairs and the Law of the Sea under the United Nations Office of Legal Affairs and required the institution to forward it to all parties of UNCLOS. Copies of the letter were also sent to international judicial and arbitral organs, such as the International Criminal Court, the Permanent Court of Arbitration, and the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, as well as major law schools across the world. The letter has been posted online and circulated on social media platforms, inviting people to participate and show solidarity against the ungrounded ruling. It has collected over 20,000 signatures in less than 2 hours.